In this video, I'm going to show you how to request a replacement IRS refund check step by step. First, confirm that your original refund check was indeed lost, stolen, or never received by checking your refund status on the Where's My Refund tool or your online IRS account. If the check was issued but hasn't arrived, you'll need to complete Form 3911 tax paper statement regarding refund, which officially notifies the IRS of the missing payment. On the form, provide your personal information, social security number, filing status, tax year, and the exact refund amount so the IRS can track your payment. Mail or fax the completed form to the appropriate IRS address listed in the instructions. After the IRS receives your request, they will start a refund trace, verify the status of the original check, and if necessary, issue a replacement check. And keep in mind that the process can take several weeks, so it's important to monitor your mail and your IRS account for updates. So that's it.